Hi everyone, this is Maitri. As promised, I'm back here with one more crafting tip. In this video, I'll be sharing my own recipe to make texture paste at home. You can use the same process to make your own texture paste at home and get beautiful textures on your crafts. Before that, I share the process with you. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to it now. So let's get started with the process. For texture paste, we need the same 3 ingredients as gesso, that is plaster of Paris. If not plaster of Paris, you can also use some baby powder. I use plaster of Paris because it's less expensive. Then we need white glue. And the last one is acrylic white color. Here I'm using a wall paint that I got from a hardware store. You can also use white acrylic color. I'm using a wall paint as I try to get the most inexpensive way to get my crafts done. For the mixture, I mixed 1 spoon of plaster of Paris, 1/4 spoon of white glue and 1/2 spoon of the white acrylic color. I mixed these 3 ingredients in this exact proportion to get my texture paste at home. If you need your texture paste to be in a different color, you can also add some different color to the texture paste to get a different colored paste for you. I was happy with the consistency of the paste with this proportion. If you need it to be little thinner, you can always add some water to it. To show you how it is working, I tried the paste on a cardboard. I used a fork to get a different texture on the cardboard. Alternatively, you can also use a wall putty instead of making texture paste. This is readily available in any hardware store. You can get it from them. This is less expensive than the texture paste that you get in the crafting stores. I colored the little canvas to get this textured cardboard. You can probably try something similar on a bigger canvas. That's all about texture paste or modeling paste. Depending on your consistency requirement, you can always add a little of water to the paste before working on it. If you are working on stencils, then I do recommend to add a little of water to the paste. I hope the video is helpful for you guys. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with some more interesting crafts and some crafting tips. Till then, bye bye.